Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to delete groups on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open the Viber app on your device and navigate to the group conversation you want to delete. Simply tap on the group chat to open it up. This will take you directly into the conversation thread where you can start managing the group settings. Once you're inside the group conversation, look at the top of your screen and tap on the group name. This is usually displayed prominently at the top center of your chat window, and tapping it will give you access to all the group management options you need. After tapping the group name, a group info panel will appear on your right side. This panel contains all the important details about your group, including member lists, media shared, and various settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface as you'll be working here for the next few steps. Now, within this group info panel, scroll down and find the section labeled Participants. This section displays all the current members of the group and is where you'll begin the process of removing everyone from the chat. Tap on any participant from the list. This will open up additional options specific to that member, allowing you to manage their role in the group or remove them entirely from the conversation. Next, you'll see an option that says Remove from Chat. Go ahead and tap on this option. This action initiates the removal process for that specific participant, but Viber wants to make sure you're certain about this decision. A confirmation message will appear on your screen asking you to verify that you want to remove this person from the group. Simply tap OK to confirm the removal. The participant will be instantly removed from the group and will no longer have access to the conversation. Here's the important part. You'll need to repeat this entire process for every single participant in the group until you are the only one remaining. This might take a few minutes depending on how many members are in your group, but it's a necessary step because Viber doesn't allow you to delete a group unless you're the sole remaining member. Go through the participant list one by one and remove each person until the group is empty except for you. Once you've successfully removed everyone and you're alone in the group, tap the option that says Leave and Delete. This is the final step that will permanently remove the group from your Viber account. A final confirmation message will appear just to make sure you really want to go through with deleting the group. Tap Leave and Delete one more time to confirm your decision. The group will be permanently deleted from your Viber account and you've successfully removed it from your conversation list. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.